Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Metamask on your PC. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. Start off by clicking open a web browser and go to the URL box at the top. Now type in metamask.io and press enter on your keyboard. You'll end up in this official web page. Here, you can download the application by clicking on this download button located at the upper right hand corner. You can see the supported browser where you can download the application extension. The application is available for your Windows, your iPhone and your Android. Select your browser that you are currently using from the list. Now, this will take you to this page over here. You can go ahead and install this add-on on your web browser by clicking on the Get button right next to it. Click on Add Extension in the pop-up and wait for the download to finish. Once the MetaMask extension has been added on your web browser, you'll be able to open it automatically on a new tab. Click on Get Started and import a wallet or create a new wallet for MetaMask. That is how you can easily download MetaMask on your PC. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.